Logo, equal housing opportunity. Wheelchair accessible. The Noble Apartments. A woman gets a drink from the lobby cafe. The lobby is a long, open space with a trendy mail room at the end. The mail room is circular with green mailboxes. Trendy lights and mid-century modern furniture is in the lobby. A mural-painted fence. City Fitness Center. People do HIIT workouts on the turf floor. Free weights and medicine balls line the walls. A woman rides a stationary bike. An outdoor rectangular rooftop pool with lounge chairs on one side. Two women and a man talk and laugh by the pool. A woman walks through her furnished, well-lit apartment. She jumps on her bed with her partner. They cuddle. A woman reads a book in her kitchen and drinks a glass of wine. She sits at a chair by the window in her living area. Two men play foosball at an outdoor table next to a pool table. People drink at an outdoor sitting area. Women chat at the kitchen in the common area. A TV plays on a wall as people relax and play shuffleboard in the room. A bar light fixture hangs from the ceiling. A man walks his bicycle. Jerry's Bar. People eat and drink at outside tables. Different restaurants and stores. An Irish pub. People walk down a crowded street past restaurants. A man and woman cheers their drinks. They hold hands, talk, and cheers their wine glasses. A highway, bridge, and skyline in the distance at dusk. The main entrance of the Noble. The building is L-shaped with the swimming pool in the crook. The Noble flowers and sign. Text, The Noble.